Okay, so in this video, we're going to be discussing how you can avoid getting negative reviews on Fiverr. And in the 3 years that I have been a top seller on Fiverr, I still have a 4.9 star rating. Well, I have to in order to stay a top seller. But the reason I've avoided so many negative reviews is one simple thing: the refund. That's the magic of the refund. Now, outside of that is also, good customer service, working with people, making sure that people understand what my gig is. And that goes into having a good gig description, etc. And setting those proper expectations. That's also why I like to have a video, is because you get 1 minute to describe your gig and your service, so that way people know exactly what they're getting. And so outside of the refund, I would also say setting expectations is a huge thing to avoid getting those negative reviews. But again, the fail-safe, the end-all be-all is to provide a refund, and then they can't leave any feedback if you provided them a refund. So I just wanted to cover that quickly. I know we've talked about that a little bit before, but I think it bears repeating. And you can join me in the next video where I'm going to be sharing some insider top seller secrets on how you can get more traffic and more sales to your gigs.